Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sherrell Denise back with another video. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to maintain your glutes with just a few easy tips. Check it out. So I'm going to be sharing a few tips that I use to maintain my glutes. Right now I'm a 47 and a half. So, I wear a size 12. 12 to 14 in jeans and large to extra large in pants. So just note that, okay? I know there's a lot of people out there wondering, hey, how do you maintain your glutes, especially in this lockdown when you can't go to the gym, you can't lift heavy weights or anything like that? I'm gonna tell you 4 to 5 easy tips to maintain your glutes. Tip number 1. Okay, so everybody knows that doing exercises, leg workouts such as squats, deadlifts, and lunges can really shape and grow your glutes. And that's a fact. Growing your booty and getting fit was one of the reasons why I started going to the gym in the first place. I was satisfied with the shape I had before, but I wanted to grow and get stronger and just have a more, voluptuous body. So when I first started going to the gym, I was just going there for leg day. I was doing squats, I was doing lunges, I was researching, how to grow your booty with gym exercises. So that's all I did Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. When I first started going to the gym, I wasn't doing a lot of heavy weights in the beginning, of course, because I'm new, I have to work up to that. So when I started doing heavy lifting, I was making sure that I was squeezing at the top. I was making sure that I was doing exercises that was only targeting my glutes. So I was always doing a lot of squats, a lot of deadlifts, a lot of hip thrusts, a lot of hip bridges, leg press, the whole 9 yards. And that's what really helped me grow my quads and my glutes. But if you can't do, since we can't go to the gym and we can't do heavy lifting, there are alternative ways to do these exercises without hitting good weights. One of those is using resistance bands. Resistance bands can help you target your glutes and your thighs at the same time with banded lunges, banded squats. I'm gonna make a separate video of my favorite band leg exercises so that you guys can check it out for yourselves. But some of the home exercises that I do is squats with bands. So like I said, squats with bands, hip abductors, leg squat clams, and also lunges. I also do leg deadlifts with my 2 10-pound weights to add a little more resistance. And these exercises will grow your glutes tremendously. You'll build a lot of muscle, and I know for sure you will feel the burn, especially when you're at home. So when the gyms open back up again, you can incorporate these exercises at the gym with heavier weights. Okay, so here's another tip. Whenever the gym opens up again, or if you do this at your house, you should also incorporate glute activation exercises. These are exercises that's only going to target your glutes. So what I like to do glute bridges. Glute bridges are my favorite workout of all time, which is like hip thrusts to me. So whenever I go to the gym, I always make sure I'm lifting heavy, because when you squeeze up and you squeeze your glutes, you can really feel it with each rep you do. Another exercise is donkey kicks. You could do donkey kicks at home with ankle weights, or you could do donkey kicks at the gym with cables. I usually like to do them with cables, but since I'm not at the gym now, I have to do them with ankle weights. And I have the Everlast 8-pound ankle weight, so it really does help keep my glutes activated, grows my glutes. But yeah, donkey kicks and also hip abductors, you could do those with ankle weights and with cables, but since I'm not at the gym again, I use the 8-pound ankle weights. And here's another tip. Since we're all at home for the next, I don't know how many months, make sure you do different variations of these leg exercises every 3 weeks. You don't want to do the same exercises for a long period of time, because your glutes, your legs, your muscles will not grow. You have to incorporate different exercises that target different parts of your glutes so that they'll grow bigger, so that you can confuse your muscles. It's called muscle confusion. And so that helps grow your glutes and maintain. So you'll maintain plus add on to them if you're trying to grow your booty like I am. Well, I'm not gonna, at least get to 48, then I'll be happy. But I don't know, my frame looks good already, but yeah, it's called muscle confusion. The second tip is nutrition. Yes, nutrition. You can't just eat anything and everything you want, because then you'll blow up like a balloon. Am I right? Right. So what I do is I intake a lot of protein. I eat a lot of chicken, nuts, peanut butter, eggs, salmon, and brown rice. So a typical day for me is I wake up in the morning, I make breakfast, and then for lunch I usually eat a chicken salad that I made. And for dinner I'll have 2 chicken breasts with yams and brown rice. So I will be making another video of what I eat to maintain my glutes and to grow your glutes at the same time. Another thing I do to maintain my weight and to maintain my butt growth is to use supplements. Now, I made a video of how I grew my booty with maca root, which is this right here. Yeah, so I made a whole video of that. I'm gonna put it up in the cards and down below in the description. But this, like I said in the other video, it helped me gain 2 inches of hips. 2 inches, okay? 2 inches. Right now I'm a 47.5. But before, when I first started maca root, like a long time ago, I was about 43. And then I gained to 45 within 2 months. So it really helped me out, especially I was incorporating this with leg weights, heavy leg weights. When I go to the gym, I did heavy deadlifts, heavy squats, lunges, leg press. I love the leg press machine because it gets your quads and your glutes at the same time. So that's a good exercise. So I can't wait for the gyms to open again. So another thing, tip number 3, is I consume protein shakes. Now, protein shakes is going to be your best friend. It has obviously the highest grams of protein in it, and what I use is IsoPure. So IsoPure has 25 grams of protein per serving, which is 1 scoop. I usually take 2 scoops to get the 50 grams of protein if I don't consume enough protein in the day. It has 0 carbs. It has 5 grams of BCAAs per serving, which is branched chain amino acids, which are good for building your glutes and keeping your glute muscles. So check that out. And it's gluten and lactose free for all those who have sensitive stomachs. Okay, so another thing that I do to ensure that I'm, not gonna blow up, if I eat, certain things I'm not supposed to, is flat tummy tea. I'm gonna be doing a 2-week review on this next week, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I have the 4-week cleanse, and I'm telling you guys, it's pretty amazing. I've lost some amount of weight, which I wanted to discuss in my review of this, my 2-week review. So if you'd like to see that, subscribe, comment down below, and give me a like. So anyways, you guys, that was my video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, subscribe, like, comment down below anything that you guys want to ask me, and I'll try to follow up with you guys. All right, see you guys in the next one.